In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Alexa to Spotify on phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up your Spotify account so it can be used in conjunction with Alexa. You will be able to give her instructions on which songs to play, skip the songs, pause the songs, and so on. So open the latest version of the Alexa app on any mobile device, sign into your account, and now go over to these settings. So access more, you can tap on this icon at the bottom of the screen and then go over to these settings. Inside of settings, you will be able to browse through various devices that are connected. Under Alexa preferences, go over to music and podcasts. And in here, you will be able to control it for your family or for a specific member like yourself. Now choose Link New Service, and alongside various different services such as Apple Music, you will be able to find Spotify. So choose Spotify from the list, and all that you have to do here is enable it. So they give us some examples. Alexa, play Spotify. Alexa, play today's top hits on Spotify. Alexa, play an oral history of the Office podcast on Spotify, and so on. Basically, all that you have to do is enable Spotify through the service here. So when you tap Enable to Use, you will be able to sign in with your account. You will need a subscription active, and you need to sign in with your Spotify account here. Once Spotify is properly set up through the Alexa application and it is enabled, you will be able to set it up as the default music service. So go over to the music settings and you can change it from here after you connect it. Sadly, I can't finish this process on screen because I won't sign into my Spotify account at the moment, but this is all you have to do. After you set it up as the default for music, artists, and genre stations, and finally podcasts, Spotify will be used on your Alexa. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Alexa to Spotify on phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.